Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. So today's video is a follow-up to the last video that we published. So this is a sequel to the video on how to confirm your eligibility for airdrops using the Kepler wallet. Alright, so in today's video we'll be claiming one of the airdrops that the wallet is eligible for. And what we need to do is just to open up our Kepler wallet. Okay, so once the wallet is opened, just input the password. Okay, all right, so once the dashboard is up, then to claim the sale airdrop. So if you're eligible for the sale airdrop, if you checked and you're eligible for the sale airdrop, this is a process on how to claim the airdrop. What you need to do is to tap on the in-app browser and then input the URL coinhall.org and then we search for this. Okay, so we wait for the site to open up. All right, the site is up. Great. So once the site is up, you'd need to tap on rewards beneath to the bottom right. Once you tap on rewards, you see sale airdrop for osmosis prop voters, and we have sale airdrop for the Galo missions. All right, so I believe this wallet is eligible because of the sale airdrop for the osmosis prop voters. Okay, so it says you can still claim till till February 23rd. So the claim period is between January 25th, 2024 to February 23rd, 2024 for 11 a.m. So you have about 22 days left. So you do not need to be in a hurry, but you need to try and claim before the deadline. Alright, so in the last video, I mentioned the reasons why you need to do some governance voting, and this is one of the reasons why. So this airdrop was given to this wallet because the wallet voted. The wallet staked Osmo and then also voted the Osmosis Gulf Prop 702 and 708 for the funding of the sale DAO. Alright, so we can also go all the way down to say if you qualify. You will qualify if you voted for the prop directly or if the validator you stake to had voted on your behalf. So if you didn't vote, probably the validator voted for you and that's why you're eligible. That's why you should always use the right proper validators. So some validators were listed in the last video. Do check them out. And now let's go ahead to claim. So we connect our osmosis wallet, we tap on osmosis, we tap on Kepler, and then we tap on approve. Alright, so we have 39.33 tokens to claim, and just tap on claim. Alright, so just tap on claim all rewards and you approve. Okay, so let's see. So waiting for this to approve. Alright, great, it has been approved and the total claim reward 39.33 tokens. And if you want to trade your sale, you can tap on trade sale now and you would be directed to the trade interface where you can sell your sale or trade your sale, probably buy more sale or trade your sale. Alright, so this is the step-by-step process on how to claim the sale airdrop if you were eligible. So let's head back to the wallet to know if we have the sale tokens visible. Alright, so we just scroll down and tap on view one more token. Great, so this is the sale airdrop we just claimed and we can see the tokens are in order, and this is your process on how to claim the sale airdrop if you're eligible. Alright guys, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section, and rest assured that someone will attend to you. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.